Wado Wakobecha, you are welcome. Ukoko Uyo no Robo online tutorials. That's it. Aye have a dual meaning. Aye have a dual meaning. Aye it means wife. Aye also means woman. But in this aspect, aye is referred to as woman. Okay? Oyoma aye woman. Aye na verubu, the woman is beautiful. Aye na verubu. Aye na verubu, the woman is beautiful. Aye na tuta, the woman is talking. Aye na tuta, the woman is talking. Aye woman. Tell you over. What can you na give the woman? What can you na give the woman? Aye na mudia, the woman is standing. Aye na mudia, the woman is standing. Follow us on IG and Facebook, Ukoko Uyo Norubo. I'll tell you, like our Facebook group, join our Facebook group. Oyoma, Urobo Feyo no Urobo is what learn. And I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume Owumi Ogenenyeru. Wado Urobo Feyo no mamo, Urobo is what learn. Because Wajurubo Wakimo wa, please speak Urobo to your children. Wado.